wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best gardening picks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. When you really need to put your back into it, you might try the Pro Value Hardwood with its 51-inch handle that gives you plenty of length for swinging. Despite its size, it weighs only around 3 pounds, so you shouldn't tire too quickly. It's equipped with an integrated hole for storage and a plain and simple construction. However, the grip is not cushioned. At number 9, whether you'll like using the C&L stainless steel really comes down to personal preference, as some appreciate the sturdiness of the all-metal construction, while others don't love the potential slipperiness, especially when your mitts are sweaty. It measures 15 inches and has an eyelet at the bottom of the handle, but it feels cold in winter. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Dukjin Portable is true to its name in that the blade unscrews for travel. This means you'll need less space for carrying it, and because it weighs less than a pound, it won't feel too burdensome either. A shovel pick version is also available. It's made with a corrosion-resistant chrome plating and is good for taking camping or fishing. However, it doesn't feel as sturdy as some. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gardening picks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, for working in heavy ground, there's the Ezvid Tools Planter. With its serrated edges, it can cut through the hardened soil that may prove difficult for smooth blades. But don't worry, it isn't unduly tough on your hands, as it's got a comfy rubber grip. This is a budget-friendly option with a solid wood handle. It's made to resist rust. Moving up our list to number 6. The V&B Manufacturing Groundbreakers Mini may not be all that large, but that doesn't mean it's only a little functional. In fact, it was made for compactness so that you can work in confined areas where you don't have the space to swing a bigger tool. It's made of hefty ductile iron and is no trouble to grip. However, some dislike the looseness of the head. Halfway up our list at number 5. You can go ahead and set the Tabor Tools J56 in the grass or dirt because it features a bright orange color that's impossible to lose. It turns over soil well too, with a dual head that's relatively sharp. It assembles quickly and includes a loop for hanging, but the head can come loose. At number 4, the Yard Butler Terra shouldn't be difficult to use, since it has a cushioned grip that makes your hard work a little bit easier. Its dual head has 2 cutting blades, but they work equally well for chopping and digging too. A matching tiller and weeder are also available, and it's guaranteed for life. However, it's not as powerful as many. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Although the Truper pick-mattock is on the more expensive side, if you're looking for something heavy and durable, it's definitely a choice to take notice of. It comes in 2.5 and 5 pound versions, both of which are tough enough for compact, unyielding soil. This is a 36-inch model with a fiberglass body for longevity. It's also offered with a wood handle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gardening picks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Ames company's mini dig is short to accommodate close work, making it especially useful for those times you're working on your knees, whether weeding or planting. But just because it's small, that doesn't mean it's fragile, as it's got a fiberglass handle for strength. The head is forged steel, yet it's not overly heavy. It scoops and digs well. And taking the top spot on our list. If you look forward to playing in the dirt but are often fatigued when you finish, the Fiskars isocore has got your back, as well as your legs, arms and shoulders, thanks to a shock-absorbing core that reduces impacts and vibrations. It's backed by a lifetime warranty and features a flared handle that prevents slippage and an inseparable head that's riveted on. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gardening picks, or simply click beneath this video.